Welcome back, everybody. We start off this video in front of the Utah State Capitol. We're not going to be here for long, so let's get started. First one here. I'm just going to eat gummy bears and drink a Rockstar to get ready because I'm beat already. My driver's side window does not work. This side works, but this one, oh, radar. This one just does not work right now.
Did you see that? That dog in the middle, it turned it on.
Alright, right here should be good. First things first, I need a jack stand. The car's all jacked up. You start taking apart all of this needs to come off, and then so I can get to the drain plugs. Woo! I'm just gonna let that drain for a bit and then check up on it. Got all my oil right here that I need. Got one extra to top it off when it comes time. All the oil's drained out, of course. I've added one already to make sure that nothing is leaking, which nothing is. I already checked. Now I just need to add 6.6 quarts of these ones and then the big 5 quart. Everything seems to be holding up. No leaks. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep that running. I'm gonna pop the garage door open a little bit. No warnings. Alright, so it's up to temperature now. I'm going to turn it off and check the oil level and then see if I need to top off or what I need to do next. Now bring it out. Yep, that put us in the right after the DO and the do not fill. So oil is topped off. I said I'd get done with this by 8 p.m. It is now 12:30. Oh my gosh, I'm such a bad mechanic.